Shailesh Dufare, Technical Consultant for Solidworks Electrical and PCB. So today we are going to see Solidworks Circuitworks solution. So here now I am going to open ECAD file. These are the file import formats .emn, .emp. So these are the files you can import in Solidworks Circuitworks. .brd format, .emn. So these are the export file format of ECAD tool. So I just open that EMN file. Here in options, these are the settings related with the Solidworks Circuitworks. You can select the importers. You can modify the settings related with the models, features, as well as you can modify the library, match components. You can match with the number or name. So here what we are going to do, we are going to export this informations. So we are using first method, replace part files with Excel. So I will open the library. So this is the library for my EMN file. You can see this is the default component shape in rectangular format. So we are going to replace that rectangular part file with the exact part file. So for that I will go to the library options. I will export that files, text file. So for time being I am just typing library data, click save. So now I just imported all information related with the component name, component locations, as well as the part file name. So this information I just exported in Excel format. So let me open that Excel file. You can see. So this is the Excel file for that particular EMN file. So what we can do, we can use that part file name for new component. Let's say this is my part name, the first column, and the third column is the location. This is the default location of that particular component. See program data, SolidWorks, CircuitWorks and components. So what I will do, I will modify this part name. I will simply copy that part name, and the same part name I am going to assign to new part. Okay. So randomly I am just selecting one part here. Let's say okay, just a minute, let me copy it again. Okay, so I just modified this information. Again I am going to import to SolidWorks CircuitWorks this Excel file. So once I import it, it is showing me that information that some parts are modified. Click open. Okay, now we are going to build the model. Now we are generating the assembly file, SolidWorks assembly file through .emn file. So you can see this is my SolidWorks assembly file of that particular PCB where the actual components are placed. So only for few components I modified the Excel. So it is showing me the actual components. Even we can change the location from here, and we can again export it to .emn or .emp format. Okay, these are the part files I just downloaded from SolidWorks content portal, that is 3D content portal. Okay, so you can see this is a 3D content portal. From here you can download any component, electronics component. You will get the informations about that particular component. Okay, this file you can download and you can use it in SolidWorks CircuitWorks. So here you can see the views. you will get the preview of in 2D also. Okay, now we'll move to the second method. So in that method, we are going to select the component by manually. We'll right click and replace. So for a few components also we can do like that. Let's check about the second method. So same way, I'm going to select this particular component here. Let's say this is my component IC4, IC1. So you can see initially it is showing the rectangular model. So I'm going to right click and associate model. So randomly I'm going to select anyone, let's say SO IC8. Click OK. Again I am going to build the model. Now you can see that model is replaced by the SOIC8. So in this way you can modify the existing components through Excel as well as by manually selecting component and replacing the part file. Okay, you can move the component, you can change the placement, as well as you can export it into EMN EMP format. Let's say I am ready with that model, and again I will go to the export ECAD file. Here you can see here it is showing the export to Circuitworks. So these are the exporting format which I can use to export IDF files .brd, .idz, EMN, EMP. There are so many export formats. So this is all about the SolidWorks Circuitworks. Thank you.